Hello, my name is Jocelyn. You found my Scofield Studio site. These are ear training exercises that are part of the HiTS series, which are just a bunch of ear training exercises that help you become a better singer. And this one builds on with some of the other ones I've done. So we have done some seconds and we've done some thirds, and we've mostly done like walking up thirds. So the interval of the third, if you're not sure, maybe go watch one of the other videos, but an interval of the third is where you skip one note. So like do, if you're doing the solfege, do, re, mi, do to mi is your interval. And most of the time we've been walking up like through the notes, because that's how you start to really hear intervals, is you know what is in between the intervals. So between do and mi is re. So instead of do, re, mi, fa, we're gonna go do, mi, re, fa, mi, so, fa. And we're still saying in the major key. We're still doing our pattern for the whole step, half step, whole step, half step of the major key. But this time, instead of walking through the thirds, we're going to jump to them. So we're going to go do, mi, re, fa, mi, so. So if you notice, we're skipping up a third and then we're actually walking a step or going a major second or a minor second down and then skipping. So do, major third, mi, then a major second down, re, then a minor third up, but you don't have to know the major minor. Mi, so, fa, la, so, ti, la, do, and then one more ti, re, do, If you want to do hand signs, you can. So the hand signs are do, mi, re, fa, mi, so, fa, la, so, ti, la, do, ti, re, do. If it helps you visualize, because when we're doing the walking, sometimes it's really easy to do the walking because you're just moving steps up, steps down. And then once we start skipping intervals, you have to already know what you're skipping. So you have to know the distance that you're skipping from do to mi without singing the re. And that can be tricky for some people. If it's really easy for you, then you can probably like skip to the end and just do the exercise once and that'll be fine. But if it's at all challenging to know where the next note is when you're jumping thirds, I would probably go through this whole video. Okay, so let's do it. I'm gonna sing it first, then you repeat it just one time so you really get used to it. So I'm gonna sing like do, mi, then you sing do, mi, re, fa, mi, so, fa, la, so, ti, la, do, ti, re. And then we're going to end on do. Do. Then we're going to jump down a third. So we jumped up a third and then walk back a second. So we jumped up, walk back a second, jump up, walk back a second. This time we're going to jump down a third. Do, la, then walk up a second, ti, so, la, fa, and so on. So we'll do the same thing. I'll sing it, you repeat it. Do, la, ti, so, la, fa, so, mi, fa, re, mi, do, re, ti. We'll end on do. Do. Does that make sense? Okay, so let's do it together slowly with me singing, and then I'll stop singing. Ready, go. Do, mi, re, fa, mi, so, fa, la, so, ti, la, do, ti, re, do, ti, re, do. Take your breath. Do, la, ti, so, la, fa, so, mi, fa, re, mi, do, re, ti, do. Okay, so let's do it. I'll play the note, but I won't sing it this time. If you have a high voice, you're here. If you have a low voice, you're here. 1, 2, Ready, go. Re, fa, mi, so, fa, la, so, ti, la, do, ti, re, and then end on do. Do, la, ti, so, la, fa, so, mi, fa, re, mi, do, re, ti, do. Does that make sense? Okay, so we'll do it one more time where I play a little bit more piano and you sing along, and we'll see how that goes. So here's your starting pitch. Ready, go. I played some more notes. Hopefully that was easy for you. This time we're going to do it 2 times through. I'm not going to play the melody, so I'm just going to go like, and you have to sing do, mi, re, fa, mi, so, fa, la, da, ba, 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 and so on. High voices, low voices. Ready, go. Let's do it again. Do, mi, Okay, hopefully you did great. The idea is that any exercise that you do with me, like where I'm playing or I'm singing along, that you become independent. So if you're not able to go do, mi, re, fa, mi, so, fa, la, if you aren't able to sing that without me playing the note, or if you feel a little bit lost, you need to do it a lot more with me playing the note so that you become independent and you hear the note inside your head. Most of the time when you're singing, you have to be independent with the melody. So that means that there's not the piano playing it for you as you're singing it. The piano's doing its own thing and you're singing the melody. So becoming independent and really hearing how you fit harmonically with the other instruments is super important. So again, if this do, mi, re, fa, mi, so, fa, la, so, ti is hard without me playing the notes, do it a lot with me playing the notes, then go back to without the notes and see how you do. And it doesn't mean that you can't do it. Of course you can do it. You just maybe need a little bit more practice so that you really internalize the notes. All right, good luck.